Hello everyone, I'm Chrysostomus, your host of the day, of every day I think, and welcome to another video. Today's subject, as we said in the previous video, if you didn't see it, go watch it, it's great. Today's subject is time. And the reason I chose this subject, this topic, is because time has always fascinated me. And it has always brought questions to my life. Like, what time is it? Why does time exist? When did time begin? Or when is it gonna stop? Or is time real? Or is it just an illusion, like Einstein said? Well, I've been, like, today, as I was walking from work, this little voice in my head began to talk about it, time again. And I thought, yeah, let's talk about it. Let's find out its origin. Well, the way I observe time and the way I understand it until now, with the brain that I have, is that it's like a force that is alive, but it's not really connected to us. It's basically a way for the universe to measure its existence. Now, for the beginning of time, scientists say that, it started with a big bang, just like everything else. But I think time existed even before that, because before the Big Bang, there was nothing. So how could there be nothing without something measuring the time between the nothingness and the Big Bang? Now listen to this. Imagine a piece of paper in front of you. You are holding that piece of paper, and while you're holding that piece of paper, it exists. At some dimension, at some realm, it exists in front of you. So that means time is passing. Now, when the Big Bang began, and it exploded and brought everything to life, time just kept on going normally. So it's not like it changed because of the Big Bang. Maybe it warped, like it bended, it curved, but or maybe the speed of it declined or became faster. We don't know. It's just guessing. Well, I think that when we think of time, usually we are thinking of a clock ticking. And that clock is always ticking unless there are no batteries, which, it just stands still. But time doesn't stand still. Or does it? See, that's another question. Like, how do we know if time can actually stop? The closest theory, or in my head, like, way I see it, is that, let's say you're close to a black hole. You're traveling fast towards it, and with the upgrade in speed, with the rise of speed, you watch time go slower and slower and slower. It's like basically when you're in a race car and things go by fast, but for you, in front of you, things are clear and you can see everything just going like whoosh, and you pass, turn left, turn right. When I was a child, I used to play a game called Need for Speed, and I used to uh, sometimes get in a mode in my head, like so focused that the actual cars that were coming at me were getting slower, and I could tell when to turn, when to stay. And I think, yeah, that's adrenaline, that's our body's um, ability. But if we have that ability to control time at an observer point, could we not have the ability to reverse it or make it go faster or even stop it? I mean, scientists are now trying to stop aging so that we can live on for thousands of years or hundreds of years. So is it not possible? I don't know. Maybe. Well, since this subject is a very mind-breaking subject, I'm not gonna go any further because even I'm getting lost when I think about it. So yeah, I just wanted to talk about it. Just wanted to get this out, and hopefully, like maybe you have some theories of your own. Maybe you understand it better. Maybe you've seen a change in time throughout your life, or maybe not. Maybe you're just living your life one tick at a time. Yeah, it's just like a lot of puns, a lot of jokes. Alright, I want to wish you a great day. Thank you for tuning in, and hopefully by the end of the week I will have a real video and not just thoughts blabbering about. Have a great day.